there's very few things I learned in college, but what I did learn is like what they had was real. That was real love. I was blessed to see it grow over the years, and I'm so happy you guys are being married right now. Can't get too perfect with each other. So cheers, everyone. Thank
you. Matt, from the very beginning of our friendship, I've never had to guess your intentions. You have always been the most caring and supportive partner I could ever ask for. Through all the changes we've been through, you always stayed a calm constant, steering towards what matters most, us. I promise to not expect that we'll always have it together, to be open to change with time, and to always support, love, and respect you.
I'm pleased to pronounce Matthew and Yuliya as husband and wife. Matthew, you may kiss the bride.
Best friend and my confidant. I'm so excited to share my life with you and begin our journey here today. The story began 10 years ago in the dorms of Ryder, and my love has grown for you every day since. You've always supported me and loved me through good times and bad, and you constantly make me a better man and have shown me the meaning of true love. You bring me happiness and joy every time I see you, and I'm truly lucky to have found someone as loving and caring as you. I promise to love you with all my heart as you have loved me. I promise to always stand by your side and support you in any challenges you may face, and encourage you. But most of all, I promise to be a devoted, loyal, and loving friend